Is the scorching heat finally about to lose its grip? And is a wave of relief just 48 hours away? Hello and welcome. You are watching Market Times TV and I am Rupa Mehta. Right now, large parts of the country are battling intense heat wave conditions. From Kanpur and Lucknow to Delhi, NCR and Bhopal, temperatures have crossed the 40 to 45 degree mark, making life extremely difficult for people on the ground. Hot winds are sweeping across regions. Roads are burning, fields are drying, and stepping out in the afternoon feels almost unbearable. States like Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and much of central India are currently under the grip of severe heat wave conditions. But amid this intense heat, a big relief signal is now coming in from the India IMG department. The IMG, the weather could take a sudden turn in the next 48 hours. Yes, states like Bihar, Jharkhand and Maharashtra may witness thunderstorms, strong winds and rainfall, while parts of Uttar Pradesh and central India could see a noticeable drop in temperatures. In simple terms, the same land that is burning today could soon see clouds, gusty winds and rain, bringing much needed relief. So, what is causing this sudden shift? Multiple weather systems are currently active across the country. A strong western disturbance in the mid-troposphere, a cyclonical circulations over Rajasthan and nearby areas, and through lines extending from eastern to southern India. The combined impact of these systems is now beginning to change wind pattern and increase moisture levels. And that's why, while temperatures are hovering close to 45 degrees today, in the next 48 hours could bring thunderstorms, dust storms, and rains actively across several regions. However, this relief may not be uniform everywhere. Some areas may continue to face heat wave conditions, while others could see sudden weather disruptions, including strong winds, lightning, and heavy rainfall. So, while this change brings relief, it also comes with a warning to stay alert and prepared for rapidly changing weather conditions. Experts also believe that this relief could be temporary and temperatures may rise again in the coming days. So the big question now is, will this bring lasting relief from the heat, or is it just a short break before the heat wave returns? For now, all eyes are on the weather updates over the next 48 hours, as they will determine the next phase of this intense summer spell. Stay tuned with Market Times TV for more updates.
केड़ा मसाला ओए? छोलिए दा या लोबिए दा? पंजाबी छोले दा या पिंडी चने दा?
अब छोलिया हो या लोबिया, पंजाबी छोले या पिंडी चने,
सबको मजेदार बने।